Dear children, I am your maths teacher Pragna with the concept of properties of rational numbers. To begin with, let us see different properties of rational numbers. They are closure property, associative property, commutative property, distributive property, identity property, and inverse property. Now let us study each and every properties of rational numbers in detail. To begin with, closure property. In closure property, if a, b are any two rational numbers, then they are under four mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In addition, the sum of two rational number is always a rational number. If I take any two number and I add up those two number, whatever the answer I am going to get, that is again a rational number. Similarly, in subtraction, if any two rational numbers are taken and its difference, that is again a rational number. In multiplication, when we multiply any two rational number, the value whichever you are going to get after doing the multiplication is also a rational number. Hence, we say that in closure property, the values of rational number holds good under addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, closure property is closed for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. But in division, when any two rational numbers are divided, the value or the answer whichever you are going to get after doing the division, it may be a rational number or it may not be a rational number. Hence, we say that rational number are not closed under division in closure property. Now let us see the second property of rational number. It is commutative property. If a, b are any two rational numbers, then they are under the four mathematical operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let us consider two rational number a, b. Under addition, when those two rational numbers are added, a plus b, that will be equal to b plus a. If the order is changed, the value remains the same. Hence, commutative property holds good for addition. In subtraction, if a and b are any two numbers, rational number, and if we subtract a minus b, that is not equal to b minus a. If the order is changed of a and b, you are not going to get the same answer in the left hand side and right hand side. Hence, commutative property does not hold good under subtraction. In multiplication, when any two rational numbers are multiplied, example 2 into 3, that is equal to 3 into 2. On both left hand side and right hand side, you are going to get the same answer. Hence, commutative property holds good under multiplication. In division, when any two rational number a divided by b and b divided by a, both left hand side and right hand side are not equal. Hence, commutative property does not hold good under division. Overall, commutative property holds good under only addition and multiplication, and commutative property does not hold good under subtraction and division. Now let us see associative property. If a, b, c are any three rational number, then they are under the mathematical operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here, if the three rational numbers are added, a plus b plus c, that will be equal to changing the order a plus b plus c. Then the left hand side and right hand side, whatever the answer you get is equal. Hence, associative property holds good under addition. Similarly, if the three rational numbers are subtracted, a minus b minus c, that is not equal to a minus b minus c. Hence, associative property does not hold good under subtraction. In multiplication, the multiplication of three rational number a into b into c, that will be equal to a into b into c. Since you are getting left hand side and right hand side are equal, associative property holds good under multiplication. In division, When we divide the three rational number a divided by b divided by c, that will not be equal to a divided by b divided by c. Hence, associative property does not hold good for division. Overall, associative property holds good for addition and multiplication, and it does not hold good for subtraction and division. It is same as that of the commutative property. Next one is distributive property. Here you are having two formula b plus c. A into b plus c, that is equal to ab plus ac, and another formula is for subtraction a into b minus c, that is equal to ab minus ac. On putting the value of a, b and c, if you get left hand side and right hand side are equal in the formula, then distributive property holds good for addition. Similarly, in the subtraction formula, a into b minus c is equal to ab minus ac. On putting the values of a, b and c as any one rational number and substituting the value, if you get left hand side and right hand side are equal, then distributive law holds good under subtraction. You are having two properties. Two more properties here are identity property and inverse property. In identity property, 0 is considered to be the additive identity and 1 is considered to be the multiplicative identity. Because when any number is added to 0, you are getting the same value, and when any number is multiplied by 1, you are getting the same value. So 0 is the additive property and 1 is the multiplicative identity property. Last one is inverse property. In inverse property, the positive number is inversed into the negative value and negative value is inversed into the positive value. For example, if you are having the rational number plus 1 by 2, then inverse of this rational number is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, if you are having a rational number minus 1 by minus 6, then the inverse of this will be plus 1 by plus 6. Here are some of the questions regarding rational number. The rational number which is neither positive nor negative, obviously it is 0, which does not have any sign. Rational number are closed under which mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. For closure property, closed under, so it is closure property. Rational number holds good for addition, subtraction and multiplication in closure property. Rational number are closed not under which mathematical operation? That means rational numbers are not good, holding good for division in closure property. So your answer is division. Rational number satisfies commutative property under which mathematical operation? As you all know, commutative and associative property, you are having rational number holds good for addition and multiplication. Rational numbers are indicated by which letter? It is capital letter Q. The word quotient, which means quotient, is derived from which language? It is Italian language. Regarding last two questions, I have already sent you previous video having the introduction of rational number. In that I have defined you that rational numbers are numbers which are written in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0, and p and q are integers. Rational numbers are indicated by the letter capital letter Q, and it is derived from the Italian word which means quotient. Here are two more links for your reference. For further detail and to know more about the rational number properties, click on this link. Thank you.